Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back with the 2005 Chevy Avalanche Southern Comfort Edition. And today we're going to be swapping out the original headlights to this vehicle from 2005, and we're going to be swapping in these brand new clear side markers. Just beautiful new headlight housings here on the front of the Avalanche. All right, you guys, hope you enjoy the video. Here we are at the front of the Avalanche. This is the driver headlight assembly. Let's just do like a little before and after. Just look at that. It's got the clear side marker on it. You can see the stock ones have the amber. Housings just look a little faded. Come over here to the passenger side. You can see they're really bad over here. You can see a lot of the chrome on the inside just starting to flake off. Just a new set of headlights will really make this thing pop. But yeah, just look at that. Nice crystal clear, hazed up. Just definitely needs a little refresh on the front of the Avalanche here. All right, let's get to it. Okay, here we are at the front of the Avalanche. We're getting ready to install these brand new headlights. Let's go ahead and do a kit content real quick. Let's go ahead and look in the box to see exactly what we got here. All right, here's the box. You can see specifically it's got an Avalanche or a Silverado on there. Here is the headlight assembly box. Let's go ahead and get this open here. All right, everything looks packed good. Move some of this styrofoam here. All right, so it looks like we have a left headlight, right headlight assembly, and then the parking lights for the bottom here, left hand, right hand. Let's go ahead and pull this out real quick, just take a good look at it. All right. Well, looks like it does come with some installs. Ooh, some white gloves in case you don't want to get fingerprints. Maybe you gotta remove the bulbs. We don't want to get fingerprints on the bulbs, so we could utilize those. But yeah, it just has looks like it has some new bulb gaskets on here. Yeah, showing all the installs here. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get these installed. Okay, let's go ahead and get the hood popped. Here we are at the driver headlight assembly here. In order to remove this, we're going to just pull it forward a little bit so we can get to the back of the headlight connections. Just take this, rotate it, pull the pin out, just wiggle a little bit, just like that. Should give us access to the back of the connectors. All right, just move this cable out the way a little bit. Should be able to grab our headlight, bring it up, just like that. Give us access to the back of the headlight connectors. As you can see right here, the previous owner did not have this headlight seated in here properly. You can see it is crooked, so good thing we're here. Maybe we'll be able to see a little bit better once we get those straightened out. But these should be as simple as rotating, moving out. See if this one will rotate, move out, just like that. Our headlight assembly is free. Looking at this bottom parking light turn signal assembly here, you can see there's 1, 2, 3 connectors in here, but it looks like this part rocks in while this side of the marker clicks in. So I believe you just take this, push this tab in right here, just like that. This whole assembly should come out. Let's just disconnect our connectors here and this whole assembly should come out. Okay, just a little turn this way, comes out. We'll turn this way. Take a little right there. And this 194 side marker come out just like that. And there we go. Housing is removed. Looks like we got this driver side completely removed. Took no time at all, actually pretty simple. Okay, we went ahead and pulled out this brand new, this would be the running light parking assembly down below. When pulled this out, you can see all the connections on back. 1, 2, 3. Let's just go ahead and connect them. 1, 2, 3. Get this in place. Got all the connections in there. 1, 2, 3. We got it rocked into place. Just gonna go ahead and give it its last push to lock this assembly in. And there we go. Bottom part is in. We still got that nice film on there. We'll be able to pull that off once we get the top assembly put in. Here we are. Here's the top headlight assembly. We have it in place. Let's just grab these headlight connectors here. Let's make sure that this is installed correctly. The previous owner did not have it in the right spot. Wait till this bad boy drops in. Nope, until it's not correct. So there is a big part to this. Looks like it goes here. Nope, dropped in nice, locked in. It's exactly how it's supposed to be. I don't know how they messed it up. Go ahead and put this other assembly in. Big part. There we go. Oh, let's lock it in. There we go. Both of those assemblies are in. We can simply just put this headlight back in place. Once we get it back in place, we can go ahead and put our pin back in. Okay, we pretty much have it in place. I'm just going to insert this headlight pin here. There we go. Just take a little finesse to get it in there. Once it's in there, make sure it's locked down right there. Put this back, and there we go. Bottom top assembly installed. Pretty easy. No hardware to remove, just a bunch of clicks and snaps. And this little guy right here up top. Here we go. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. Nice. Looking good. Nice clear markers on there. No more orange. Nice brand new looking headlights. That looks pretty good. Here's a good side by side. You can see that driver side is the side we just installed. The passenger side has yet to be installed. But let's look at that. Looks amazing. Definitely a nice upgrade here for the Avalanche. Oh, busted. Hot newness. Looks awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get this passenger side switched out. All right, same thing here. Let's move this pin. Seems to be in there pretty good. Don't know when the last time this ever been taken out. Try to do this in real time for you. Go ahead. One connector, two connector, 194 bulb. There we go. That's just how quick it is in real time. Now let's go ahead and try to do this real time again. So here we are, the brand new bottom marker here. There's one light. It's the running marker light. There is the other light, 194. All right, that's in. Go ahead and get this in. One assembly in, the other assembly in. Let's take the stickers off the back. Definitely is sticky. All right, we got one headlight assembly. Headlight assembly. Let's rock this in place. Let's get our pin. There we go. done. Headlight assemblies look awesome. If you want to know where to go ahead and get these upgraded headlights for your Avalanche or Silverado, there will be a link down in the description. Out with the old, in with the new. Looks great.